this girl so im mama not born for one domoto, im mama born for year, born for year, born for year. And this kind of girl you want to go carry, if you reach that side na so you go leave, you go say marry Igbo, marry black, marry Turkish, marry this one, you no go leave her for year. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just then get post for YouTube or you dey watch you never subscribe, please today consider to hit that red button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. So my lovely people, one of our sister and one of our fans say you want to bring this matter come out because every time the thing they go around say, oh, men go bring their wife from Africa come after the women don't open eye and so they come they do the man nyaga they come to say now there's a big pass. He say and many social media people they support them, even me when be Lady T, he say I they support them well and she be one of my big fans. I say you want to bring the story come make una still talk to the men. Maybe say wetin happen for goat house make e no dey happen for fowl house every time. Man kill him wife, kill himself because of wetin make una still shook una her mouth put because the decision wey she wan take so not be say the thing go don dey red now social media come still run come out again. Who no wan hold fight make e fair hold quarrel, they come run come out again. Hey, one man bring him wife come oh, see wetin happen oh. Even me Lady T, I go still do like that too. So more listen to this our sister, then we will come back.
Good morning, my brother, my sister. I'm in the Lady T, make you do this video. Thank you, Lady T, my sister. May God bless you for your good work and your family in Jesus' name. My people gonna help me, I need that vibe. Thank you and God bless you all.
That's the voice. I laugh so. One of this. Okay, this our sister. Now wetin happen to her? Then she come out too. Because we know this period we just dey hear and say man peme him wife, he peme himself, he peme his wife and children, and peme himself. Man carry his wife come Europe. The woman now he don sabi, don't live on, he don't dey do anyhow now because he don't open eye. He said now wetin just dey happen for social media. That make she cry come and say, oh, see they talk to the male, make they see they do well. Because you bring person come, say because if something happen, they want judge, they no go talk say, what did this man do no good though. The next thing what we go dey hear, man we carry you from Africa come Europe. Person carry person from Africa come Europe, not turn the person to slave. That kind thing good. He say one bringing you come out to say because she not be person wey dey beat person for good. That's why you need advice. Because he no want make he can take one decision when be say water will come too much and pass Gary. Or too much water don't pass under the bridge. Let make him bring this in your come out too. This woman, a woman will be say she dey her jejeje when the husband come because of her good character, the way she dey live her life. So her neighbor, brother wey dey abroad saying they come house, they want come find better wife marry. Then he tell her say this lady, he know and a woman wey dey strong, marry her, it go good for you. You know the waka kurukere. And so the man can't take marry her. Then when the man want marry her, some of the family people they not agree. They say, how you go marry her? This one go beat you for good though. Why you not marry for abroad? Why you come Nigeria come marry? You know say all these women when they come carry for Nigeria go marry, they don't reach abroad, they don't tear eye, they can't they do anyhow. Before you carry the way they abroad for there. The man say go carry. So with all this talk when he got us say this marriage, and beside that they consider they talk say this girl so him mama not born for one domoto, him mama born for year. And this kind of girl you want to go carry, if you read that and so you go leave, you go say marry Igbo, marry black, marry Turkish, marry this one, you not go leave her for year. They said they must still continue the marriage. Now he got us say this thing when they talk, so you go tell them say he not be person where they beat person for good. He go do well if you reach that side. And thank God the husband come carry, they don't get children. They don't date 10 years together now for marriage. If I'm not mistaken, they fine. So he said when the husband take marry and come, they might even buy a house. They stay for the house. They manage the house as the house be. That they live together. But he no salary when the man they collect. He say na 1,500. Now the man they collect every month. He no know say with children money and gbogbo the money don dey even dey go 2,000 or even 2,000 plus. The man no dey gree tell am. Na one day when he carry body after 10 years, or when he carry body go check something, na see say the man even dey receive that kind money. He go dey follow the man dey pash. The man no dey give am anything. Because say he come, he supposed to go school and all that. Because as he just come, God come bless them with children. They begin dey born children. Oh, her mind be if she don born all her children finish, she will put them for school. Then she go start to dey go work to support herself and support her family, because the family need help. He not put pressure on the man. The man no dey even dey give the family money. Sometimes now she go open mouth say, my family still need money. Once in 3 months, he go give am 50 euro to his mama. Once in 3 months, 50 euro to his papa. And so the man say they spend money. Say, but the man they spend money for his family. The man get house for Africa. But she not worry. Now the man pockets, now the man they work. Now money you see they spend. He not still worry. The country when they pay their children money no they see for eye. And so the man go say, na so bill, na so this one, na so that one. If she say me she go work, the man say me wait since she see they born. Because the time when you do that one take grow, come when you take start work, you don't still get belly again. I say okay, you go bear around. They shop their amala and pepper soup. You know, give the man problem, because now the man they work in money, now he get him money, now they use her as he like. The day when you go still give her, you go say take. If you want to buy Maggi, husband, I want buy Maggi, the man will still give her. I want buy salt, he go still give her. Most of the space are for house, and the man they do and they come. Anything finish for us, the man they buy, they come. The man no use on greater bit town. You understand? But she not just get her home money for hands, and her family back home, she not dey feel stretch am. But she no want maybe say na home family go come bring problem come her marriage. So she just know the way she take coordinate her family, make them understand say mona no expect chicken from anywhere. So the 50 euro when the husband even they go give the family, if they ever see herself, that they happy because she don't draw the family here say chicken una not go see. Since the daughter say now so it be say their mama born for different places, but not be their mama photo, because their mama story you just see they different. But they no one maybe say that yoke follow them. So all the ladies as they take be for the sisters, they be Christian, they be prayer warrior, they pray to make sure say their marriage work, so that this thing not go follow them as people they talk say make they not marry them. Now so it go be. So they hold themselves for their marriage house, all of them, to make sure say the marriage if it work. So my people, now so she take pash with this her husband though. Things go the rain. Not be say she not get her eye not go even see day. Say you must buy this rainy cloth for me, or you must buy that rainy this thing for me. The day when your husband will still give her, he give her. The day when not still give her, it's so free. They manage her life, all her home, all her mind. Be say make the children grow up so that she go feel work her home money. You understand? And so she dey bear am. School self she not fit go driving school. He beg your husband say okay still put me for driving school, so that if me they go driving school, if you know they make me still carry car come and go do wetin I want. Do not be every time they wait for you make come carry me do wetin I want to. The husband no gree put am for driving school. He say money wey they take they go driving school too big. He say na so they do am. He say na so they pump money go give your family for us. This one no never has her. He don't give her. He not tell am say no give your family money, because no be she they work the money. Now the man they work the money, because anything we go make am cut say no give your family money. Go say okay, they don't marry you come now. Our brother no they give us money again. Now you cause am. Or the man if you go tell them say for they give una money now my wife now I cause am I know they give una money. You know say some men their mouths be like that, they go talk am. So then make I not just they talk, he just they look am. So far the marriage they go on for all these years. But not that she's happy. You say when not be say the beat woman be the thing. Sometimes emotional torture. You know, I always they talk about this emotional torture. Emotional torture be say you go see your husband family they do well. Your husband they pack money go give your family. But your own family, you know, go even say see help one person for your family. That one na emotional torture. The woman not they happy. The day when she will even manage ask, now it be down 50 euro once in 3 months. You understand? And you go not say they get problem for family. You know go say make it support for anything. But she not care, the family not care, because as I talked before, you don't use and draw their ears, say me they not expect anything from his side for now because she know dey work, and the man dey carry all the loads, the bills and everything. So all this one wey we dey talk now, the woman dey bear all these things, dey patient to make sure if they see other people marriage, when they say na so they separate. He say 90% of people when their wife carry, their husband carry their come, he say they don't share garri. Now few of them remain. He no want maybe say he will come bring character come and talk, say hey the first talk am. That's why she dey bear anything bearable. The man not put on say make he go learn work. The man not put on for anything. The man not let her go driving school license. He won't be say make he just sit down for us. Any money he want, say Maggi, salt, take go buy. But she get wetin dey bother her for mind when she really won't get. She say she won't get driving license, and she want make she help her family back home because since when she dey Europe, she never stretch out to the family because Erowa, Erebaki. Finally now children don't grow, they don't start to dey go school, and she come say make she go work. Now this man wan come dey control her money. He wan come dey control her money. They tell her wetin he wan use the money to do. As you just receive salary, so if you just go work next month, you receive salary, that salary will just use am to do this one. And if you don't work, or say you don't take for the work, we'll just go bank, you go borrow money, mokute renovate this house one buy for year, mokute do this one, mokute do that one. You want begin dey count money for her hand. All this why she no count money for this man handle. He no has this man they do money. It is say na 1.5 when the man tell am say they receive. No say with children money and everything, the man they collect money. Again, wetin we dey call settled renter for Italy for year. If you dey work once in a year, then they go calculate everything. Some people they collect, depends on your family. Some they collect 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. If the wife not dey work, then they collect all this kind of money. If the wife not get anywhere way for the get money, and so that they increase the money. Sometimes 1,000, but government must support you. You say your husband they collect big money for all those time because of children, and she not they work. He say no way till they use the money they do. If you collect half, you go say instead that go Africa. You don't know till they use the money they do. You know us. But now when she want start work now this man they talk say now so you go carry money for bank, make they can't do one thing, do another thing. Now if they talk now say this, as I talked before, who no one will fight, it go fair or quarrel. Okay, now if she can't refuse, say he no go collect money for bank and he no go agree me husband touch his salary, what's it go happen? Not be fight when you go be say okay, I don't bring you come abroad all these years. I mean they cater for you, cater for your everything. Okay, now when you do the work now, you want come to say you don't be a big woman now. You want come the shakara for me. You want come they do this one before you know it they happen. You don't permit the woman. You don't permit everything. But all the time when this woman they shop amala and pepper soup, you not remember again. So now waiting this woman carry come out now because this matter when be say we really need to settle. Now matter when be say people really need to shook mouth put so that the men go dey listen, the women go dey listen, because this my wife pay husband pay wife for Europe abroad, it's getting too much. No year before 4 months more come back, you go hear say it happen for Canada, it happen for America. Now America own that come worse pass. It happen for UK, European all dey small. Not the two happen like that. But with all these things now when they happen, this woman said that make her they talking you come out too. So make it agree now, make this man they help her they control her own salary. Work when he just start so he never ever tell. But you know say before how many months this money now go down they bring blow, bring slap. So what do you think? How we want to talk for this matter now? Make the woman agree to the give the husband the whole salary, because when she take comot for house, as the village where him parents dey na they still dey since, so they never fit comot for village. You understand? as their house be 90 gbidi, and so e still be. Changes never dey say they get pikin for abroad o. But now when she wan work, she say she wan do changes. Wetin una reason? I know say this thing go cause argument for comment section, but make we sit down together, make we reason am together, make we put heads together. Wetin this woman go do for this matter? And I beg you, my brothers, when they bring their wife come abroad, if you bring your wife come abroad, they take care of your wife. They take care of them. And more than make maybe serious arrangements. Okay, now when be say na me dey work, see wetin I go dey do, where my hand reach. If you don start work, see where you go for the help. Make it be agreement for una. Make una let am balance. Make this side not greedy, make this one not greedy. Because if one say I can't dey greedy, the other one can't open, I know say the other one dey greedy. Now the annoyance they come. Make una try to balance am. Now my own opinion, I mean they talk for years, so una balance am. When the woman no get, when you say now you get, you bring the woman come. Try to balance things. If the woman don't see they get, make the woman will still try to balance. Now when you not balance your side and the woman don't they get, you can't say make the woman come they break come. Now that's how you can't they want balance. And then while they start to. So now wetin me go talk for you, make this video not too long. I leave the rest people for my people to drop for their comment section. And this matter will see carry and go our Telegram group. Make they still shook their mouth put. So that many people, even apart from the one they carry come from Nigeria, husband and wife marriage is still the affect marriage for today for Europe. When we say they still know themselves for here, no one carry each other come. How they want to balance this balancing of spending in the house. They really they cause problem too for family. Oh, use this opportunity, just use one stone, take it to bed. So I will take organize this matter. So please leave your comments down there. Your comment is very, very important. Our sister will dey there. Will they see the comment section and we will show our map for the Telegram group for inside this matter. More we know the cocoa we did for inside. So I'll stop this video for here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you and God bless you. We are not here to say a story. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will change situation of things. If you are sharing our video, you are changing life. You are saving soul. You are changing situation of things. And we always pray for you that share our video, that Almighty God will send someone to support you. You that share, you that comment, you that like, that press that like button, that call us on the live screen, that always share our video. Almighty God will send someone to support you in anything that you are doing in your life. If you call one, thousands will answer you. Thank you so much for watching. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. True Dreams, Bright Life with Lady T. If you get anything when they bother you, or you get story to share for this our platform to encourage people, or you just want somebody to shook my put for the matter, to tell you what to do or solution, call our number down and drop voice message as well. Thank you so much, my lovely people. I will see you on our next video. Ciao. Bye.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God